It is the time to see to move forward about the most important concept called global variables and formal local variables. Global variables and local variables. Look at that index once I will open. Look at that once index of the function I will open it. So we discussed the type of parameters. Now I am going to talk about local variable and global variables. That is our heading now. Very important discussion. Let us go to that part. Write down heading, main heading. Very important. So people can understand local variable and then global variable. Local variable and global variables. Local variables and global variables. So let us move forward to the local variables. Fine. So first we need to understand local variable. See what we are going to discuss here. Local variable. And there is a possibility of getting confusion. Try to understand very carefully. Local variable. Next is called global variable. Global variable. Okay. So let us understand what is the need of local variable. What is the need of local variable? What is the need of global variable? We will talk about. First, take a small example in the class. Okay, look at. And dear students, I am requesting once again, all of you should concentrate very well. If you don't concentrate, you will get a very much confusion in understanding this topic. Okay, look at. I am taking first program. A. Say carefully. Look at the carefully. So def function name called I will say faculty 1. Faculty 1 is a faculty 1. Right. Then name f name 1 is equal to f name 1 is equal to KVR. F name 1 is equal to KVR. Then I am writing here printer faculty 1 faculty name in faculty function faculty 1 function is equal. I will write dot format of f name 1 faculty name 1 is equal to KVR. Faculty name is equal to faculty 1 function is equal to this thing. So this faculty 1 is called local variable. Dear students, I am going very slowly and you should not get confused. If you ask again explain sir means it is a problem. Beginning only, try to learn very carefully. It is called local variable. Local variables are those which are used inside the local variable, right? Local variable which is used inside the function body. Local variable which is used inside the function body, which can be accessed only inside the function body only. Okay, that we already aware of it. Can be accessed inside the function body only. Okay, let me print it. This is called local variable example. Local variable example 1.py. I'll give multiple examples. Try to understand very carefully. Now I am printing the function call also. So what is that function call? Faculty 1. Save this now. Go to the place of functions. In that I am saving this example. What is that now? Local variable example 1.py. Coming to the command prompt. There is no hurry at all. In the entire class, I will discuss about this only because there is a compulsory question in the interviews. And nobody will be having this type of clarity in your Python concepts. Be careful. So G:, so KVR, Python, 4 p.m. So functions. Now I am going to take it. Py, local variable .py, it's a KVR is printed. Okay. Now Next I am going to talk about one more type of function I am taking, ma. One more type of function I am taking. There is no hurry at all. Carefully watch it. So here something like this 2. Faculty name 2 is equal to faculty name is equal to I am writing some name Sampath. I am writing Sampath, one of our student Sampath. So it is also local variable. Faculty name 2 is equal to faculty name in faculty 2 function is equal to faculty name 2. Okay. Now I will call faculty 2 also. Faculty 2 also is a function. Right. Now I will run this program. See that faculty name in faculty 1 function is caviar. Faculty name in faculty 2 is equal to Sampath. Okay. Now in faculty 1, faculty name of faculty 2 function I am calling. Faculty name of faculty 1 function. Faculty name of faculty name 2 function I am calling. Is it possible to access or not? You tell me. And answer my question. You think carefully and answer my question. Possible or not possible? Not possible. Not possible. So I am saying next one is called what? I am saying faculty name is equal to faculty name in 1 is equal to faculty name of 1. This is called. So tell me, what are the errors, ma? What are the errors here? What are the errors here? What are the errors? How many lines errors? How many lines? Faculty name here, line number 11 you see, 2 lines error. Line number 5 error plus line number 11 also error. Because faculty 2 is a faculty name 2 is a local variable in faculty 2 which we cannot access. Let us see that line number 5 and 11. Those who are interacting with me, you will understand like anything. If you don't interact, you will get a doubt. So look at that. See the first error. We are getting first error, line number 15 and then line number 5. So what is that now? Here I got it. Faculty name 2. Here we got an error. So faculty 1, we got an error. In which line? Line number 5. Let us go to the line number 5. It is an error. Now I am giving comment. So error. What is that error? Error. What is that now? F name 2 cannot access. Can't access. Can't access. Why, sir? Why error? Faculty name 2 cannot access because it is local. It is local to faculty 2 function. Local to faculty 2 function. Local to faculty 2 function. It is an error. It is an error. So it is an error. Right. Now if I kept a comment. One more I will be saying. One more variable I am saying. See one more thing here. Faculty 1 is not defined again it is saying. Not defined again it is saying. See that which line? Line number 11. Line number 11 is again an error. So line number 11 is again an error. I will say there it is also an error. So I will write the same message there, error, because I am writing here the point, error. What is that error? Faculty name, faculty 1 cannot access because it is local to faculty 1 function. Okay, well and good. Now you see, coming to the point back, now you execute. So we got the output. Nice. Now, my point is, local variables are those. Now I am defining my point. Local variables are those. Now I am making a point mark. Local variables are those. Local variables are those which are defined in the corresponding function body. Corresponding function body for storing temporary results, temporary or or result of the function. Storing, I'll write for storing temporary results. Temporary results. 1 minute. Temporary results. Nice. Dear students, and next I am writing the scope of I am writing scope means what? Accessibility, life. The scope of local variables. The scope of local variables. The scope of local variables. The scope of local variables is available only to the corresponding function definition. Corresponding function definition. Corresponding function definition. Local variables are those which are defined in corresponding function body. Corresponding function body for storing temporary result. The scope of local variable is available only within the corresponding function definition. So we cannot access local variables of one function in the context of another function. This meaning itself is that. So I'm writing in other words, because I'm giving this much of clarity, because I'm going to discuss in the further some confusing statement I'm going to explain. That's why I'm going to give you. In other words, local variable values can be accessed only within the corresponding function definition. Corresponding function definition, but not possible to access in other functions. Fine. So we understand that local variable. Coming to the next concept you come. So faculty name 1 can be accessed inside of this faculty 1 only. Dear students, remember now only, because if I want to repeat again, it is not possible because it is a lengthy concept. Beginning only, try to learn. So name 1 can be accessed inside of faculty 1 only. Faculty name 2 cannot access into faculty 1. Faculty 2 is having faculty name 2, can access that faculty name 2 only. I cannot access faculty name 1. Faculty name 1 I cannot access here, because I already told you local variables are available to that particular function only. This is called a local variables concept. Perfect. Now global variable concept I am going to tell you. Global variable concept I am going to introduce. This is called local variable example I gave. Finished. No more doubts on this. Done. Next I will go to global variables concept I am going to tell you. Look at. Now again I am going for global variable example 1.5. Global variable example 1.5. Here I am saying CRS is equal to Python. See where I am declaring that? I am declaring before all the functions. It's like a normal variable. It's like a normal variable only. There I am taking def. What is doing? Learn, Learn, learn. Data science, DS, learn data science. This is one function. He is learning what? To learn data science. To learn, I am writing, to learn data science. We need programming language. What is that programming language? We need programming language. I am writing dot format of what? CRS. Learn DS. Learn DS. To learn data science, we need a programming language CRS. So CRS is a variable which is defined before my function. Before my function. Next I am writing one more I am writing. Learn IoT. IoT. Internet of Things. To learn Internet of Things. To learn Internet of Things. To learn IoT, I will write IoT, caps I will write it, IoT. We need programming language, CRS. Next I am writing def, learn, ML, machine learning. I will write same thing I will write again. Same thing I will write again. What is the CRS? CRS is equal to what? Course, which is defined before all my functions. Before all my functions, which is called global variable. This is defined before all my functions. CRS is called global variable. Global variable. Simple amma. Anything is bound before you is a global. Is a global outside of the functions. And don't ask me, sir, inside the middle of it, before first function, second function, third function, fourth function. Don't go for that type of feeds. Whatever I am saying, straightforward, you try to understand. Later, after understanding everything, we will do a lot of feeds on it. The variables which are defined before all the functions is called global variables. Let us come to the, in all the functions it is accessible. So let us call, what is that? First function I will call. First function I will call. Second function I will call. Main program I am writing. Main program I am writing. Learn DS. Next is called learn. What is that? IoT. Learn IoT. Next is called what? Learn ML. Learn ML. So let us save this code. So coming to the point of it, pi. See that what happens. So somewhere else there's something is there. Okay, some line it is typed by mistake. Now see ma, all of you carefully. Now see that. So you got it. To learn data science, we need a programming language, Python. So we are accessing variable value. If a value is common for many number of functions, listen my concept. If a value is common for many number of functions, such a type of value must be taken as a global variable. Yes, global variable is taken. Global variable values scope. The scope of global variable value is that it can be accessed in all the functions which are followed after that. So what I am trying to tell is CRS is a variable which is available before all the functions. Now, sir, if you want to write here, sir, see what is happening. Here I am writing it. See that what is happening. So we can access it. See that, sir. I will cut it, sir. I will write here. See that, sir. Done. See that, sir. Once again, I am just cutting it. In various places I am showing. If you ask later, sir, write here, write there, all these things. Don't try to expect that. Now only I am showing to you. Accessible in all the places. Right? So, okay, no problem. ML. I will write ML. Okay, so I am taking all the variables. Actually, we will write here in the main program part. Now I will go to my place. I'll go to my place and I'm writing here. Global variables are those whose value which are defined before all the functions. Now you have seen that where I defined it. Before all the functions, in middle of the functions, wherever you like it, I defined it. I'm giving the common meaning, which are defined all the function definitions. definitions. The purpose of global variables, the purpose of global variables, the purpose of global variables, the purpose of global variables is that to place common values, to place common values, to place 1 minute, to place common values, to place common values which are used by, which are accessed by, which are accessed by, which are accessed by. Anybody unmute their videos, I will remove from the meeting, compulsory. So Cherry, you find out that name, Amma, I will remove that person from the meeting. Right. The purpose of global variables is that to place common values which are accessed by all function definitions. All function definitions which are accessed by all function definitions. So global variables are the common values. The scope of global variables is that which are accessed in all types of functions. So the scope of global variables is more than local variables. Now I am writing separate. The scope means what? Availability of accessing. The scope of global variables. The scope of global variables is more than scope of local variables. Scope of what? Local variables. The scope of global variables is more than scope of local variables. The scope of global variables is more than scope of local variables. Yes. Now global variables concept is also we understood. Now I am combining both of them. See, I am teaching separate program because I want to see the clarity. I can tell all at once, you will get confused. 90% of the people will get confused. So, done. Let us go to the, we understand. Local plus global, I will take it. Local plus global, I will take it. Local plus global, I will take it. Okay. Now I am going for next example. There is no hurry at all because this is a 100% question in the interview point of view. Now look at global, local, example 1.5. Global, local, example 1.5. Now, place is equal to India. Place is equal to India. We are all live in India. For example, assume that the number of students who are present in this meeting is present in India. This is a global variable for us. Be careful. Global variable. Now, there is one person, deaf. Live one. What there is one person. Live one is a function. Live one. So I am living in Hyderabad. So I will write my place is equal to, for example, my place is equal to HYD. That is at Telangana state. For example, TS. I am writing TS. Okay. Now, one more function I will take, Another live2 function is, my east place is called AP. Another function place is live3 is equal to MH, Mumbai, Maharashtra, MH. Next, one more live4 is equal to MH. This is called what? Karnataka, Bangalore, Karnataka. Some name I wrote. Yeah. Now see, these many places are there. Now see, place 1, live 1, my place. You see, now I am writing print. Live 1 I am calling it, live 1. I am writing here my place, that is called TS, is a part of dash dot format of, tell me, my place, comma, place, my place. It's writing here capital. I will write capital. That is better for you. You can get it. Cap. Cap. What is an output is coming? All of you tell me. I am only speaking for a long time. What is the answer is coming for this? My place, that is called TS, is a part of what? India. TS is a part of India. Similarly, I will write here. My place is a part of AP is a part of something. Here I will write. Here I am writing printer. My place is a part of India. Here also I am writing. My place is a part of this. Now you tell me, guys, what is my place? My place. My place. Here, what is my place? My place. My place. Why I am giving this clarity to answer my questions quickly. What is my place? My place is called. Very good. Super. Local variable. What is this cap is called? What is this cap is called? What is this cap is called? Global variable. Very super. Super. You are giving good answer. Local. This is called local. I am writing local. So I am writing. See, this is called a local variable. This is called a local variable. This is called a local variable. So I am going to print there. I am printing there. What? TS is a part. I will call the main program. Main program I am writing. What is the main program I am writing about? Leave 1. Leave 1. Next I am going to say leave 2. First I will call leave 1. So we understand. In this program I am using directly local variable plus global variable. See, I am giving very much clarity for you people. Let us. By local variable, global variable example that TS is a part of, TS is a local value. India is called global variable. We are accessing both of them metadata. Like that I will go for leave 2. Leave 2. No tension. Relaxly you listen. Leave 3. Okay. Leave 4. Leave 4. L-I-V-E. Leave 4. Right. Now I am going to say all of them. AP. TS is a part of India. India. All the values I got it. All the values I got it. Done. Fine. Is this program is clear? Global plus local is clear? Confirm? Only global variable is common. Perfect. Come on, tell me. Right. Local variable is common. Is it understandable? Yes, sir. Now I am talking about very, very powerful concept. See, now I am testing your knowledge. This is clarified. Local variable I taught separately, global variable I taught separately, local plus variable also I taught separately. Now come on. A is equal to 10. A is equal to 10. What is this A? Tell me, by looking at this you can tell. What is that? Which variable? Into float, all these things over in LKG only. Global variable. Arindam, don't tell GV, LV, MV, all these things should not necessary here. Global variable. Okay. Now see. Def modify. Def what? Modify value. Modify value is a function. Now I am asking, A is equal to A plus 1. A plus 1. Tell me, what is that? Value of A is equal to dot format of A. What is an output? Come on, everybody. A is equal to A plus 10. What is the value of A? Very good. Right. Super. All of them super. Now you see one amazing answer. You see. Everybody said answer, na? Everybody enjoyed like anything. Now see the answer. See the answer. You will really wonder. You are thinking that Python is that much user friendly. That's why Python is not possible to understandable for normal people. It is supposed to give the full length explanation to the faculty. Then only student can understand like anything. Right? Let us see. So modify .py, modify GV. modify gv.py, modify gv.py. Come on, see now. Do you know what is happening? See, modify gv.py. Amazing answer. See that? See that? What is the answer? No answer came right now because I did not call. Let me call modify val, modify val. See that now? See that answer? See that answer? Why you are taking? This is the answer error. But everybody enjoyed like anything. The moment when you are giving answer, na, I got tension first of all. My students are going like a rocket. But now break. Now let me start explaining. Yes. Durga Prasad, you understand my mindset now. That's why you might be said. Okay, no problem. When you said now, you are really happy. Okay. Come on to the point. See, when you come to line number 5, when you say a is equal to a plus 1, actually the PVM, now I am telling the reason why this error. Now I am telling the reason. When PVM comes to line number 5, when PVM comes to line number 5, here A is treated as because you are modifying. Suppose if I did not print this, happily you will get a 10 only. Because that is what I said. Global variable example. See Python printed everywhere. Here also, if I did not modify, see this example. If I did not modify, I got the value 10. When you are modifying, the PVM is expecting that A is a local variable. A is what variable? Local variable. A is what variable? Local variable. And when you are taking local variable must have the value. Local variable treated as a local variable. And you are incrementing the local variable. When you are incrementing the local variable, A is equal to A plus 1, A must contain the value compulsory. So A is treated as a local variable. And that variable must contain value. That's why that error. What is that error refer? What is that? Local variable A referenced before assignment. Local variable A referenced before assignment. You are assigning the value. Before that assignment, it should have some value inside of it. That is an error. Are you understanding this error, Amma? Whenever you are feeling that modifying the value, that will be giving an error. Listen first. Listen what I am talking. You listen first. When I am saying A is equal to A plus 1, the PVM is treated this A as what? Local variable. Even if you write B is equal to, see what is happening. The A value is called what? 10. The value is called what? You print the value here B. You try to see that what is happening. So it is happening what? Happily what is happening? The A plus 1. Which A value this is? This one. Now I am trying to write this A is equal to A plus 1. This time A is equal to A plus 1 is treated as what? Local variable, and it should contain some value. Listen very carefully. This is going to be an error. My interest is, it is a direct question in interview point of view. What is my question is, I want to modify. Actually, everybody will think that it is a modifying the global value. That's why you enjoyed a result called what? 11. But 11 will not come. So what is happening? A is equal to A plus 1. So our interest is to modify which value? Global variable value. That's why. So it is treated as a local variable. For that you need to use a keyword called global. Global you need to write A. Whenever you write A is equal to A plus 1, it is nothing but what? Modifying the global variable value. Inside of where? The function definition. When you try to modify the value of the global variable, inside the function definition, directly A is equal to A plus 1 is not possible like other programming languages. When you try to modify a is equal to a plus 1, you got an error. You got an error. See that error? Once again, you got an error. When you try to modify the global variable like this, it is treated by the PVM as local variable. In order to refer this a is equal to a plus 1, you have to write compulsory what keyword? Global a you need to write. This indicates you are referring to which a? Before that modification, you have to write which keyword? Global. Now you write down value of a in where? Modify function. In what? Modify function. Modify value function. Modify value function. Now see that now. See the result of it. What is the value printed? Value of a is equal to what? 11. And after that, after this modification, it is modifying in which place? A is equal to a plus 1. 11 it is becoming. Here I am writing printer. Value of a in where? Main program or in line number value of a in line number 12. Line number 12 is equal to comma a I am writing. So first, what is the value of a? What is the value of a? Coming to the point of it, main program. This is main program means what? Printer. What is this? Value of a before modification. Before modification is equal to dot format of a. Dot format of a. This is a directly coming to this place. What is the value of a printed? Tell me first. What is the value printed? Come on, ma. 10. What function I am calling? Modify the value of a. Control goes to where? Line number 12 to line number 12 to. It is going to this place. Which line? Global a. Global a I am referring. A is equal to a plus a. What is the value of a will be referred? Which a will be referred? 10. 10 will be referred. A is equal to a plus 1. 10 plus 1, 11. 11 will be kept in this global variable only. So modify value. Which line? Which line? Line number 7. Line number 7. Format of a. Format of a. Line number 11 is printed. Line number 11 is 7 is printed. After that, it is coming to the after the function. Line value of a after modify value function. After modify value function. Line number 13. Line number 13. So what is the value of a will be printed? Here how much is the value printed? How much is the value printed? 11. What is the value of a here? Tell me. What is the value of a? 11. See that answer. See that. Before incrementation, before modification, 10. Then after modify, line number 7, 11. After modifying the value is called 11. Now, coming to next, once again, I am sending to what? Modify value. Come on, go to next one more time. Modify value. What is the global a value will be referred? A is equal to a plus 1. Which a value will be referred? A plus 1. How much is the value of a? 12. What is the value printed here? 12. What is the value printed? 12. Even after modification also. I am saying that what is that? Line number 15. Line number 15. It is going to print how much? 12. Come on to the point back. Here I am writing 12. Dear student, one more time I am referring. What is that? This is one thing. You have seen already. One more thing I am showing. Increment I am saying. One more function. Increment or okay, next update val. Update val is a function. I will go to def. What is that? Update val. Which value I am updating? Global variable. A is equal to a into 2. Now I am saying line number value of a in update value function in line number 10 is equal to format of a. Now you need to start the result. 1 minute wait, all of you. Don't tell the result. Now I want to ask you the result. Whether you understand or not, I want to see that. Now I will print overall result now. after what? Update val. Update val. After update val. Line number 17. Line number 17. Start. Use. Main thing is nothing ma. Whenever you are modifying the global variable inside of the function definitions, we are going to get the error. See, line number 9 is an error. Line number 9 is an error. Is everybody is understanding that line number 9 is an error? Come on, ma. Yes. So how do you overcome that error? How do you overcome that error? See that error. Local variable. Line number 9 error. Let us go to which keyword I have tried there? Global A. Global A. See, refer that global variable. Refer. Global indicates pointing to that. PVM will say, oh, A is a global. Take the A value. 10 into 2, 20 like that. Start my requirement. Start my requirement. Value of A before modification by the functions. By the functions. Start. Line number 4. What is the value of A? Come on, dear students. 10. Next, what is going? Modify value. Control goes to which one? Modify value A. Do you understand global A? Global A refers which value here? Global A refers which value? 10. 10 plus 1 is how much? 10 plus A, 11. Now I am going to write 11. This line number 16. Value of A after modify value. Line number 13. Line number 13 or 16? 16. Okay. 16. Okay. What is the value of A printed? What is the value of A printed? 11. Come on, ma. Next. Increment. Update value of update val. Go to where? Update val. I want to increment the value of A. Global A. What is the global A value? Global A value how much? Who is saying 10? Something must be required. What is the value of global A? 11. 11 into what? 2. 11 into 2. What is the value of A? What is the value of A printed? So line number. This is called a line number 11. This is. So this is what? 22. 22. Come on. After this. What is the value of A? This is line number 18. Line number 18. Prints what? Prints what? It is called. How much? 22. 22. Is it understandable or not? Execute. Execute. The output is before function modification of all the functions 10. Value of A in modify value 11. Value of A after modification of this 11. Updating the value line number 22. Value of A after update value is called 22. Is it clear or not? What is this concept says? Whenever you are modifying the global variable value within the function definitions, directly if you try to refer that, it will be treated as a local variable. In order to refer the global variable inside of your function definition, before modifying the global variable, it has to be preceded by a statement called global variable name. Global variable name, comma, variable name 2, comma, variable name 3. Suppose I have B is equal to 20 also is there. I want to refer both of them. I will write B, comma, A, comma, B. A, comma, B. I am going to tell you one more dangerous concept. Local variable same, global variable same. Local variable same, global variable same. That time how to do, sir? That I am going to refer. Don't worry. First, let me go to small injections. Small injections. Yes. Okay. Now I am going to talk about this part. This is called which keyword? Which keyword it is? Which keyword we are using? Global keyword. So tomorrow somebody asks you, what is the use of global keyword? What is the use of global keyword? Now tell me, what is the use of global keyword? Come on, fast. Global keyword. Global keyword. Now I am saying global keyword I want to go for. Which one? Now I am writing. When we want to modify the value of global variable, when we want to modify the value of global variable within the function definition, within the function definition function definition. When we want to, see, I'm showing everything and I'm writing mark. When we want to modify the value of global variable within the function definition, then we must first we must refer by using global keyword and modification should take place. Modification must takes place. That is direct modification of without global keyword. Global variable values cannot be modified. Without global keyword, global variable values can't be modified. And we get error. Okay, this is a story for it. To modify the global variable value within the function definition, global variable values must be preceded just before one line. When we want to modify the value of global variable within the function definition, first they must be refer by using global keyword, then modification must take place. Now I'll write the syntax. Syntax you see. Syntax I am writing. See that how I am writing. Variable name is equal to value. Defo function name. Okay, now to refer I will say variable name is equal to variable name plus 1 error. This is going to give you error. This is error. To overcome this error, this I will write just comment I'm writing. To do that, we need to use what? Global variable name. Variable name is equal to variable name plus any modification, 1 na, 2 na, into na, multiplication na. This is called a valid. So this part I need not to write it. Even if you write it also, not an issue. If you want, you can write it. It's not necessary. I'm just writing here. I'm just writing some line, and I'm saying some lines here. And referring here, I will write like this. So refers to, this is called a valid statement. This line says what? Refers global variable name before modification. Dear students, is this syntax is clear or not? Please let me know. Is it clear or not? All of you should make me to clear. First of all, is it clear or not? Yes, sir. Clear, sir. Is this program is understandable or not? Yes, sir. We understood, sir. Now, next I am going for simple. See how many examples I am writing on one simple topic. Okay. Now, shall I move forward to one more? Shall I move to one more? Please give a green signal. Yes, green signal is given. Now I am going to next. Others. Next I am going to others. Python. Seema. Okay, you want to write first? Okay. Write down, ma. Okay, they want to write first. Otherwise, they will forget first. That is their problem. Write down, ma. Write down. After that, after you are writing, I will go to the next one. I will write the next one. First, you write up to here. Line number, you write up to line number up to 8, you write it. Then I'll go for the program for global variable and local variable. This global keyword, you don't write it. I won't show you that, because otherwise by mistake you will write that. First complete that. I want to see. Right, ma? Little bit fast if you write. I need to give the program also. Right, ma? Completed. Okay. Next, write down. Now I am going for program. Write down. Write a Python program. Now I am opening the program here. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which makes us to understand. Which makes which makes us to understand. Which makes us to understand. Which makes us to understand the scope of local variables. Which makes us to understand the scope of local variables. What happens, ma? Dilip Kumar? Not written. Complete it, take the screenshot. Dilip Kumar, take screenshot, ma. Complete. When I'm going forward, we should, once we go forward, we should not come back. Take screenshot, which makes us to understand, the scope of local variables. Dilip, completed. Now, take this program, all of you. Understand, faculty name 2 is a F name 2 is a part of faculty 2. I cannot access. Faculty name 2, faculty 1 cannot access because it is a local to that. Little bit fast, ma. Yes, ma. Next, I'll go for one more example. Is it finished, everybody? Dilip, completed, ma? Yes. Now I'll go to one more. Write down. Write a Python program. Little bit fast you write, ma. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Ravi, what happens, ma? Not completed. Write a Python program which makes us to understand. Complete, no problem. I'm just dictating the question. Which makes us to understand scope of global variables. 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 Come on, Ravi. Completed? Okay. Now take this, all of you. Write down global. CRS is equal to Python. Right, ma? Completed, ah? Yes. Dilip completed, ma? So, Akila, complete, ma? So, we are understanding that CRS is the one which we are accessing in all the functions. Right? We did that. Complete, ma? Complete. Spurti, Akila, complete all of you. Next, local variables plus global variables. Both of them at a time. You just ask this question to somebody. Just ask this question to somebody. See how many variables we are. Parameters are there, arguments are there, global variables are there, local variables are there. Global variables plus local variables. See how many are there. Come on, next. Shall I? Come on, Ma, Spurti, Akila. I'm opening the next program. Right, Ma. Write down. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which makes us to which makes us to which makes us to refer 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 both global and both global and local variables, both local and global variables in the same function, in the same function. Spurti completed, ma? Which makes us to refer both global and local variables. Okay, now see carefully. Look at that first. Cap, global variable, can be accessed in all the functions. Local variables can be accessed only inside the function. You cannot access in other places. But global variable can be accessed in every moment of it. So clearly it is mentioned. Think about it. Don't write blindly. Think carefully and write. Come on, ma. Make it fast. Finished? Okay, ma. No problem. Write down. Write down. So in writing, na little bit speed up. You just speed up little bit because in my explanation I will go little slow because depends on the concept I need to go. If you write very fast, na, so we can save some time. I am not saying that write very quickly, but during the writing, little increase your speed of writing. Yes, ma. Durga Prasad. Interview based questions in all the place, whatever we are discussing, and don't feel that I am not boasting about it. Every question is from our notes. This I said in the beginning only. Telling interview questions in the class is not telling about important questions in the academics. So that type of work I don't do it. Interview questions means what? Any question can be asked. So why don't we prepare everything? So Durga Prasad, don't expect important questions from me. Expect everything. Okay, ma? Am I right, Durga Prasad, or not? Yes. So, okay, ma. Now I am writing, I am moving forward. I am moving forward. Now, which keyword? Now we understood local variable separately, global variable separately, local plus global variable. Only we are accessing only. We are just accessing. Next, we are going for what? Modifying the global variable. Inside of where? Modifying the global variable. Inside of where? Come on, ma. Tell me. Modifying the global variable. Inside of what? Function definition. We need which keyword? Which keyword? Global keyword. Otherwise, what happens? Otherwise, what happens, ma? Otherwise, what happens? Please. It will be treated as a local variable. Local variable require an assignment. That's why it is an error. So now we will write which keyword? Which keyword concept we will write? Global keyword concept we will write it. Okay. Now we will go for the concept. Now I am moving. Shall I move to the global keyword? Yes. Now I am moving more. Now let us go to the place. Now I am writing global keyword. Look at ma. Now I am saying, look at 1 minute. 1 minute. Wait. I will take it. I will put it into this place. 1 minute, all of you. Just 1 minute, 1 minute. Global keyword. 1 minute ma. Global keyword and globals function. Globals function. This is the your talent of the subject will come out. Global keyword and globals. Okay, global keyword and globals. This is the one. You write as it is like that. Global keyword and globals function. As it is, you write like this only. Under that, I will go for first global keyword. Subheading you write down about the global keyword. Yes. Carefully write down. When we want to modify the value of global variable within the function definition, then first we must refer oblique access the global variable. 1 minute more, just one word is missing, dear students. First, when we want to modify the value of global variable within the function definition, then first we must access or refer global variable, just it is missing amount, global variable by using global keyword, and modification must takes place. Sorry for that modification, just I forget that word. Just add that. In the bracket I wrote, without global keyword, global variable values cannot be modified within the function definition, and we get error. Syntax for referring, accessing global variables by using global keyword. See, dear students, global keyword, variable name, and a modification taken place. It's valid. Now I'm going for the example. Write down. Write down, ma. So which one? Global. So two things are there. Global. This is a very frequently asked question, ma. Please be careful. Write down, ma. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will modify, which will modify, which will modify, which will modify global variable value, which will modify the global variable value, which will modify the global variable value in various function definitions, in various function definitions, in various function definitions, in various function definitions, in various function definitions. Now I am opening that program. So I hope that everybody completed, right? Now write down this. See all of you once. A is equal to 10 global variable name. Referring global variable, global A. A is equal to A plus 1. Modifying the global variable value. Global A, referring, incrementing the global variable value. Now I will write referring global variable value here. Modifying global variable value. So line numbers, I hope that it is not necessary for you. Even if write line numbers also, no problem. Otherwise you'll get confused. What is this line number, sir? That's why I'm removing value of a in modify all function. Value of a in update value function. Value of a before the function. Before and after. I'm writing clearly to you. You can write happily this part. What ma completed? Come on, ma. I'm expecting you people to complete it. Tomorrow there is no holiday. Class is there. Tomorrow class is there. Tomorrow very, very, very important concept. Global keyword I will explain. Plus I am going to introduce anonymous functions. Anonymous functions I am going to introduce tomorrow. If anybody think that tomorrow is a holiday, you will get a lot of problem. Lot of damage will take place tomorrow if you don't come to the class. Tomorrow class is there. So tomorrow class very, very important. No holiday. No holiday. Prabhat is asking why holiday. There is one festival is there, ma. That's why people are asking holiday. So functions will festivals are going on coming. We need not to. We will. Yeah. Happy Sri Ramanavami for all of you. So advanced happy Sri Ramanavami for everybody. Right, ma. Thank you to you and wish you the same for everybody. Okay, ma. Right. So okay, some of them are battery low charge. Okay, ma. Rachana, no problem. Right. So tomorrow's class, right, ma. Thank you. So tomorrow's class, okay, we will stop the class. Tomorrow's class we will go for global's keyword. I will explain global's keyword. Right. So tomorrow's class we will go for global's keyword. I will explain. So here global's keyword is there. Global local variables we understood, and there is one more thing called what? Globals. This one we will go for it. So line number 9, what happens, ma? Right? Don't miss it. Important session tomorrow. Most wonderful topic. If you miss tomorrow, you will get problem in further classes. Okay? Right. Thank you. Good day for all of you.